Hello there, today we're going to talk about adapters. Now, for those of you that don't know, we have designed a lot of adapters for Dysons over the years. This is actually one of the first ones that I designed well over 10 years ago that everybody subsequently copied. And it's not something that we've stopped doing because Dyson, historically, what they do, they always change tool sockets all the time for no apparent reason. So there's been lots of different Dyson tools and tool sockets, and the thinking behind this, I think, is that when Dyson sells you a machine and you collect a bunch of tools for it, and then that machine goes on the blink, knackered, it's old, whatever, you throw it away, but you've still got a bunch of tools, and Dyson make really good quality tools. That's one thing they're good at. Well, I mean, they're good at several things, aren't they? But, you know, tools is something that they're good at. And then what they do, they bring out the next machine with a different tool fitting, and all that stuff that you've bought before, that you've spent loads of money on, suddenly isn't any good for your new machine. And they've always done this. And they do it, I believe, they do it to kind of thwart the aftermarket very much. And I'll show you what I mean by that. Now I've got here's a tool here. This is off a Dyson V cordless, so this can be V7, V8, V10, V11, V15, V16, maybe V12. Right, so it's got a red button on it, so you think a red button tools, okie dokie. And then you'll have a mains powered machine. Now it can be a cylinder, it can be an upright. If it's a cylinder, it's going to be, you know, they call them big ball, small ball, this ball, that ball. But if you look on the little silver sticker where the serial number is, there'll be a really, really tiny letter. And if it's got red button tools on your mains powered machine, it's going to be called a UP something or a CY something. So if it's an upright, it's going to be a UP, I have to look on my screen, even I can't remember all these models. It's going to be a UP22, a UP24, a UP32 or a UP34. Right, if it's an upright, if it's a cylinder, it's going to be a CY22, a CY23, a CY26 or a CY28. And it's going to have red button tools. And your V machine, your V7, your V8, your V11, your V15, whatever, is going to have red button tools. And you might look at them and you think, well, I've got a cordless for whizzing around the kitchen and zapping the moths and what have you. I've got my mains machine for doing the carpets, and I've got a big bunch of tools that I can use. All the ones off my cordless on my new mains machine. Can't I? No, you can't. And here's why. They look the same, these, don't they? Let's have a closer look. When you hold them side by side, you can see how the one from the cordless machine here is a little bit smaller. Now, what possible reason could there be for that? Well, I've already told you, haven't I? So here is a hose off let's see, a UP machine. There's a tool off a V8. Of course, it doesn't fit. And this is the correct size tool that does fit. So lots of people come along to us because people always ask us about adapters. I think probably they come to us first for adapters because it can probably be argued that we know more about Dyson we know more about Dyson adapters than anybody else. So some time ago, what we did, this is the old style tool fitting off machines like the DC41, the DC38. They've got like a little Euro symbol there. So when all these red button tools came out, people came along with the V7s, the V8s and what have you, and they said, can you make a tool so I can use this on my V8? And we did that. That's one of ours. And then here, the people came along with these slightly bigger red button tools off the CY and UPs, and they said, well, we still want to use our old tools with them, so we solved that. And we have that one as well. So the new challenge that people keep asking us about is that we've got a cordless machine, we've got a V8, a V11, a V15, whatever, and we've got one of these mains powered ones. They've all got these red button tools, but I want to use all the ones from my cordless Dyson that I've been collecting since I bought my first V8 or my V7, and now I've got like a V16 or a V12 or a V15. And I want to use all these tools on this new mains machine I've got, but they don't bloody fit. So, you know, we have an adapter for everything one way or another, and we have a two-part adapter that solves this problem now. So if you have a CY cylinder machine, which is a cylinder mains powered Dyson with red button tools, or you have a UP machine, which is a mains powered upright Dyson with red button tools, your hose will look like that. You pop that in there, Here is one of your tools from your V cordless machine, which goes in there. And there we are, the problem is solved. So this is just one solution that we offer over many. And one of the caveats I have to give you with this is, of course, if you're looking at electrically driven floor heads or electrically driven tools, and you'll know that because if you look at it, it'll have two little electrical terminals on it. Of course, you can't use those on your other larger mains powered Dyson, right? So you can't use floor heads, you can't use electrically driven tools that you would do stairs and upholstery with. We're only talking about stuff like this. We're talking about vacuum driven tools, we're talking about static tools like brushes and crevice tools and things like this. So no, you can't take your V15 floor head and run it on the end of the wand on your UP machine, or you can't run it on your cylinder machine. So no, we're not talking about electrically driven tools, we're just talking about the actual tool socket itself, no electrical fitting. And you'd think that was obvious, wouldn't you? But you know, the amount of returns that and questions that people put to us and say, oh, well, why can't I use this for that? So it's plastered across all our listings, not for electrically driven tools. But yeah, at the moment we've solved that problem. You can use your V cordless tools on your UP or your CY vacuum cleaners with one of those. We have adapters for virtually all applications, excluding electrical fittings, but we're working on those actually. But we have Dyson adapters for most applications. We have lots of Dyson adapters that other people don't have. We are usually first to market with Dyson adapters, like we were with this one over a decade ago, like we are with this one today. Before you know it, every man and his dog in Shenzhen will probably be copying it, and you'll be able to buy them for 5 pence. But for now, the innovation on these things is ours, and we will continue to innovate because that's what we do. So if you're watching this on YouTube, I'm going to put down on this side, I'm going to put another video about adapters, because it's a big, it's a big subject, Dyson adapters. It's a rabbit hole you can go down. Over here, I'm going to put something else about Dyson adapters. Down below in the comments, I will put a link to links to various articles on our Dyson Medic blog, because the Dyson Medic brand is also us, and you'll be able to go through that. And if you were searching about Dyson adapters, can I use this with this, can I use that with that, you can ask the question down below the video here. You can ask the question on the Dyson Medic blog articles, and you can also go on our Dyson advice forums at dysonforums.com. We'll take you there, and you can also ask questions there. Or, you know, if you see something on one of the listings on our shop on dysonparts.com and you, for some reason, you're a little bit unclear about it, send us an email from there. We can't guarantee that we've got every single adapter for every single direction, but we've got more than anybody else, and I think it's fair to say that our knowledge on Dyson, well, Dyson's generally actually, but Dyson adapters certainly is unsurpassed anywhere else, because we are the largest Dyson specialist in the north. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Check out the other videos and check out the links to the forum and to our blog below, and I'll see you next time.
Let's talk about suction. When you think Dyson, think manchestervacs.com.